These brownies are the perfect combo of chewy, fudgy, and cakey. This recipe is simple and will not disappoint. We'll start by melting butter in the microwave. For this batch, I'm using unsalted butter, but salted works just as well. Next, I'm adding granulated sugar and just giving this a really good mix. Add in the vanilla to give the brownies a deep, rich flavor. Then I'm adding 1 egg, making sure the butter has cooled down before doing so. Last but not least, I'm mixing in the flour, salt, baking powder, and cocoa powder. I started with a whisk, but switched to a spatula. It's easier to mix the dry ingredients this way and helps to scrape the batter from the sides of the bowl. Unlike other recipes, instead of a baking pan, I'm making these in a cupcake tray. I'm using an ice cream scoop to fill individual cupcake liners. The liners are great because they help keep the brownies moist for days on end and don't leave a mess for us to clean up. Just pop these in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 until they're ready to come out. This recipe makes 6 brownies, which is just the right amount for 2 people. An added bonus is that each brownie is already cut, so to speak, so they're easy to store and share. Y'all, these are legit. I love the grab-and-go nature, which make them super convenient for snacking. Try these delicious brownies with your favorite ice cream.